Assalamualaikum. My name is Azharul Uzair bin Al-Rahim. In this video, I'm going to talk about first aid kit. First aid kit is a collection of supply and equipment that is used to give medical treatment. There is a wide variety in the content of first aid kit, based on the knowledge and experience of those who putting it together. The international standard for the first aid kit that they should be identified with the ISO graphical symbol for the first aid kit, which is an equal white cross on a green background. First aid kit can be assembled by almost any type of container, and this will depend on whether they commercially produced and assembled by an individual. The type of container will vary depending on the purpose, and they range size, wallet size through large box. In order to make them easily recognized by anyone who requiring first aid, they need to create symbols such as ISO first aid symbol, alternative version of the first aid symbol, symbol of the Red Cross, and last but not least, Star of Life. Content first aid kit. Commercial available first aid kit available via normal retail routes have traditionally been eaten for treatment of minor injury only. Typical content include excessive bandage, regular strain, pain medicine. Common kit may contain such as antiseptic wipe, bandage, cotton balls, emergency blanket, eye wash, hand sanitizer, ice pack, and tissue. Trauma injury. Trauma injuries such as bleeding, bone fracture, or burns are usually the main focus of the most first aid kits, with items such as bandage and dressing being found in the vast of majority of all kits. Instrument and equipment. Trauma shear for cutting cloth and general use. Scissors are less useful but often include alcohol pad for sanitizing equipment or unbroken skin. This is sometimes used to debride wound. However, some training authorities advise against this as it may kill cells which bacteria can be fed on. Instant acting chemical, cold pack, alcohol rub like sanitizer or antiseptic hand wipe, thermometer, space blanket, also known as emergency blanket, pen light, cotton swab, cotton wool for applying antiseptic lotion, safety pin for pinning bandage. Medication. Medication can be controversially addition to a first aid kit, especially if it is for use on member of the public. It is, however, common for personal or family first aid kit to contain certain medication like life-saving aspirin, primarily used for central medical chest pain as an antiplatelet. Painkiller. Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is one of the most common pain-killing medication as either tablet or syrup. Codeine, which is both a painkiller and antidiarrheal. First aid kits are very much needed by someone who is in trouble. For example, the person who has large wound, small wound, fracture. First aid kit also developed to prevent from being infected and so on. Today, first aid kits are very important to humans. It cannot only treat wound, it can also save life.